StepaNite is an integrated healthcare management system with various switching user interfaces. The key modules are membership management and claims switching. Let's have a look at the features contained in the membership management module. The membership management module consists of package management, account benefits tracker, account details management, account events tracking, beneficiary management, account contributions management, account billing and reports. Now let's have a look at each feature in detail. The package management module allows medical aid societies to manage their membership packages generically. This allows the definition of different prices for different ages and relationships, as well as how the package should handle benefits deductions. Account benefits tracking uses the package management module to track how a member and their beneficiary, if any, use their benefits throughout the membership lifecycle. Through package management, it can manage cases where benefits are deducted per individual or group account basis. The account details management module allows a medical aid to manage important details about a member, such as their personal details, history of illness from critical diseases, next of kin details, contact details, previous medical aid history, employment details, and so on. It also allows the medical aid society to manage the account status of a member, such as activation, suspension, and termination. The account events tracking module logs all activities that have occurred on an account. The beneficiary management module allows a medical aid to activate, terminate, suspend, and reinstate a beneficiary account on a member's account. It also allows the capturing of new beneficiaries and updating details on the already existing beneficiaries. The account contributions management module allows a medical aid to capture new payments made by the members, which reflect on the statement after approval or acknowledgement. The account billing module runs from the background every month end and is responsible for reminding members to pay their monthly contributions, and automatically reflects the bill on a member's statement every month. The system is also capable of generation reports and allows custom configuration of reports based on a data-driven approach. The types of reports the system generates include, but is not limited to, tables, graphs, and many more. Now let's have a look at the claims switching interface. There are 3 types of claims that the system handles: normal claim, pre-authorized claim, and member claim. A normal claim is usually filled in by the service provider or the medical aid society on behalf of the service provider. When initiating this process, the customer gets an OTP code to validate they are in agreement with the request and later adjudicated, so that the service provider paid for the service. Secondly, a pre-authorized claim is initiated when there are medical procedures that require authorization first before they are carried out, and these require the normal claim process plus an additional requirement. So, the process allows the medical aid to create a claim, and the service provider uploads an invoice on the system or send the invoice to the medical aid for upload, then they receive an authorization code. The client approves via the normal process when the claim is created, but a code is sent to the provider which they need to provide to the medical aid when claim is about to be adjudicated or processed. Lastly, a member claim is initiated when the service provider requests for a payment from a member's pocket. When the member has a medical aid, they can then request for the funds back from their medical aid. The system allows the member to submit a receipt and select the benefit to be deducted, amount, and service provider name. This will then show under member claims in the system and can be adjudicated, which affects their benefits and notifies the finance manager that client needs to be paid. Hence, via the app they should provide their banking details. The app has a button on the claims which allows client to acknowledge payment as it has been processed and they receive the funds. If they do not approve manually after finance manager marks claim as paid in 14 days, it will automatically mark it as completed. All processes in the switch are adjustable to a health insurance's needs. The claims switch has 5 main features: Remittance Advices, settlement reports, claims tracking, claims history tracking, and transactions history. Now let's have a look at each feature in detail. Remittance Advices allow service providers to see a summary of the payments they are supposed to receive from a medical aid. This includes the partially approved with reason for partial acceptance, approved payments, and the declined ones with reason for decline. These are also automatically sent as email to the service provider once the medical aid pushes the Approve Bill button. A settlement report shows a summary of the payments the finance manager should remit to service providers and to customers for claims submitted, and is automatically sent as an email of the configured user marked as Finance Manager in the system. Claims Tracking Module allows a medical aid and service provider to track the current status of a claim in the system and is available as a list after searching the claim. The system gives a further search function in case of multiple records retrieved to get the actual record in question. Claim History Tracking Module logs all claim activities that have occurred on an account to have historical data over the account events. Lastly, Transactions History Module allows health insurance providers and service providers to search for transactions such as the use of the medical aid to providers and the payments made to the provider by the medical aid. Moreover, it also allows one to search for payments made by members. Now the key question is, can it integrate seamlessly with current system? Or how easy is it to migrate data from the current system? Well, StepaNite has an API which allows your internal IT team to integrate processes if need be, and it comes with support for customizations. With regards to migration, the software comes with tools such as CSV import, Excel import, and scripts can be made to pull data from your current system straight into StepaNite. It does not take more than 2 weeks for StepaNite to be deployed. For more information, please visit our website on www.dynamicwowsolutions.com or email us on info@dynamicwowsolutions.com. You can also contact us on the following number +2637 8465 8727 or send a WhatsApp to +2767 3136 265 for any inquiries.